Prompt engineering in ChatGPT involves designing high-quality prompts that enhance the model's ability to generate accurate and relevant responses to the user queries. And with the increasing use of AI or artificial intelligence in various industries, prompt engineering is a highly valuable skill to learn in 2023. And I'm sure that you must have heard that this profession can pay up to $250K to $335K annually, but many people only have a surface level understanding on how to effectively use ChatGPT. And in this introduction to ChatGPT and prompt engineering, I will guide you through a process of building instructional prompt from the scratch. And friends, these techniques and principles will improve your prompt engineering skills and save you a lot of time in your job or business and also in personal life. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome back to the Tech Blackboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an instructional prompt from the scratch using ChatGPT. And all these techniques and principles will level up your prompt engineering. And today, in this opening video, we will start with the basics and I will introduce more and more details in the upcoming episodes. But before we directly jump into the prompt engineering, let's first quickly understand what is ChatGPT and what is prompt engineering. And yes, my friends, I understand you all know what is ChatGPT, but just to set the context, I will give a brief on it. So here it comes. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that is trained to generate human-like responses to the text-based communication such as chat conversations. And ChatGPT is so awesome that it understands the word or the natural language instead of requiring code. And this text-based communication technique is called prompt engineering. So as I just mentioned, prompt engineering involves designing high-quality prompts that provide specific instructions to ChatGPT and getting the desired result from ChatGPT or other similar AI programs. Now, I'm sure that you all must be thinking, what? I know this ChatGPT and what is prompt engineering, and I have given so much of instructions to ChatGPT and gotten the result. But please wait here, my friends. Prompt engineering is a highly lucrative skill that you must learn in case you really want to earn from it. And what makes prompt engineering really challenging that it can often give you unpredictable results in case you do not know how to use it. So, effective prompt engineering requires a deep understanding of the domain in which the model will be used, as well as the knowledge of the language and the phrasing used by your target audience, and your job as a prompt engineer is to deliver results that are more reliable. And before I proceed further, I want to even simplify the jargon prompt engineering. Simply put, any text that you write in the dialog box of the ChatGPT, that is called prompt. So that's enough of talking. Let's jump to the ChatGPT and let's start prompting. So let's start off learning ChatGPT prompts with something very basic. These days, personally identifiable information or PIIs is everywhere and can be easily misused. So let's suppose that you're working for a big luxury brand apartment company, and while you're doing the bookings for the apartments or sending the emails to your high profile clients, there is a lot of information that can be categorized as PIIs, and surely you do not want to mess with all this PII information. And to lower your burden of work, you want to use ChatGPT to remove all this personally identifiable information. And on top of this, my friends, you can also build a mail merge program like a template to send emails. So let's see how a well thought prompt can help you with this. So consider this as an email that you're sending to a customer named Billy, and this email briefly welcomes the customer. It also tells the customer about the ultra luxury apartment, and here in this email you can see that we have a lot of personal information. For example, the name of the customer, then we also have the phone numbers here, and also your name as the apartment agent. And you want to remove all this personal information from this email so that it cannot be misused. So let me put this entire email in the text box or the prompt of the ChatGPT. So here it comes. I have put the entire email here, and please note that I'm using ChatGPT 3.5. So now, my friends, we have our email in the ChatGPT. Let me now introduce you to the ChatGPT prompts. So here you can see that I am giving the instructions to the ChatGPT to read the following sales email and remove any personal identifiable information or PIIs and replace it with the appropriate placeholder. And also please note, my friends, I am also giving ChatGPT an example, and it says replace the name Billy with the square brackets and insert a name, a blank template. So let's pick this entire prompt or the instructions and put that before the email in the ChatGPT. So once again, I'm here in the ChatGPT. So here in this email, I will also add our instructions, and let's see if the ChatGPT can replace the personally identifiable information. So here it goes. Now you can see that I have added the instructions on top of our email. Let's see if it works or not. Let's hit the enter. And now you can see that ChatGPT has started to replace the name. Here earlier we have Dear Billy, and now instead of Billy, it has now replaced the name Billy with square brackets here, and it also says name inside this. So it has basically removed the name Billy, but you can still see that we have this John Wills here. We also have this phone number here, which can also be categorized as personally identifiable information. So let's see if we can also get rid of these information. And as you know that ChatGPT remembers the conversation, you can already see on this left hand side that our conversation is now remembered. So ChatGPT will be able to relate our further instructions with this conversation. So let me further instruct ChatGPT, and I will say, so here, my friends, you can see that I'm further instructing or prompting the ChatGPT that you should have also replaced John Wills and the phone number with name and phone number inside a square bracket. So let's see what happens now. Let me press enter. And now you can see it has started to generate the results once again. And now we can already see that name, of course, it was already done. And now you can see that ChatGPT has well learned from the previous mistakes, and it has also replaced the name and the phone number. So all the personally identifiable information is now gone, and now your data is safe, and you can actually build a mail merge program on top of it. And this is just a scratch, my friends. There is a lot to learn in the prompt engineering. And in this quick video, I just wanted to show you what is prompt engineering. And in the coming videos, I will unravel the power of prompt engineering so that you can professionally grow and of course earn a lot of money by building a lucrative career out of prompt engineering. But for now, I just want to thank you for joining in for this quick learning session. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.